In this video, we're going to show you the top 10 foods you're eating wrong and the right way to eat them. Growing up, we've all heard our mothers yell at us, "Don't eat like that," and thought to ourselves, "I can eat however I want." Well, sorry to burst your bubble, but apparently there is actually a right way to eating some food, and most of us, probably including our mothers, have been doing it wrong. So let's get into it, but first don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and comment what food you were eating wrong. Probably most of them. Number 1, bananas. Well, apparently when it comes to bananas, monkeys know best. Most of us peel a banana from where we consider the top or the stem and proceed to eat. But as it turns out, it's supposed to be peeled from the other end. Well, at least that's how monkeys have been eating bananas. You just pinch the tip and then peel it back and proceed to eat. This one is a simple mistake to correct, but apparently it can make all the difference. Of course, some of you may already be doing this, but hey, we didn't know about it, so we thought you may not too. Number 2, pineapples. While on the topic of fruits, it seems that we've been all accusing the sweet pineapple of being a hard fruit to cut. All the while, we were simply cutting it the wrong way. According to some newly surfaced information all over the internet, you're actually supposed to eat pineapple by pulling the pointy part out, and then you end up with these cute little triangle slices. Who knew, right? Although some say this is a messy method, but it sure means you need far less equipment to just enjoy a little slice. Give it a try and see if it works for you. Number 3, strawberries. Well, this one is a more of a fancy way of eating rather than a correct way if you ask us. It turns out, rather than trying to pull out the green top with your hand or cutting it out with a knife and butchering the damn berry in the process, you're supposed to use a straw to insert from the bottom of the strawberry through to the top, and de-stemming it in the process. Sounds easy to us, doesn't it? This also makes it easier to enjoy the strawberry in one bite or to dip it into some chocolate. Fun fact though, same method can also be used to remove the seed from cherries. Number 4, sandwiches. How many of you throw away the ends of your homemade sandwiches simply because there isn't enough meat in there? Not that meat that you're thinking of. Well, that's because you've been making and then eating them wrong. The struggle comes from the fact that the toast is a square and the cold cuts are usually round. So in order to overcome this issue, rather than overlapping the meat, you should instead cut them into equal halves and line them up so that all the sides of the bread have meat. And just like that, you can have a delicious sandwich in every bite and no wasted bread. Number 5, cupcakes. These delicious sweet mini cakes can at times be messy thanks to the frosting on top, which ends up more on your face than in your mouth. But that's because you've been eating them the wrong way all this time. The right way to enjoy your cupcake and actually eat the frosting too is to cut the bottom of the cupcake and put it on top of the frosting. That way you end up with a delicious cupcake sandwich that is far less messy and possibly more delicious. And you don't end up with the cake at the bottom with no cream. We'd say that's a win-win. Number 6, TICTACS. Who doesn't love chewing on a Tic Tac every now and then? But sometimes it can be a struggle to just get one piece rather than 10. Well, that is because you may have been using the box wrong. The Tic Tac box actually is designed to dispose one at a time. All you have to do is turn the box upside down, then slowly open the dispensing tab, and just like that, you will have a single Tic Tac sitting in there waiting to be enjoyed. Number 7, wings. If you're a chicken wing fan, then you know just how messy they can be to eat. Most people tend to eat chicken wings holding the bone and biting around it. But sorry to say, that's the wrong way. It turns out that if you twist the small bone in the meat and then pull it out and then repeat with the large bone, essentially making it a boneless wing, then you can eat your wing without all the mess. Plus, you get to enjoy every bite of the chicken. Number 8, Oreos. Well, this may be a controversial one to some, but according to the internet, there's a right way to dunking Oreos in milk and eating them. Now before you get mad at us, we too have been guilty of opening our Oreos and eating the cream first. But as it turns out, you're actually meant to use a fork to eat Oreos. Basically, take an Oreo, then push a fork into the cream section, and then proceed to dunk it into your glass of milk. This way, there's no risk of losing your Oreos to the milk. Let us know if you've tried this before and it's worked for you. Number 9, Toblerone chocolate. The signature duty-free delicious naughty chocolate bar is just as hard to eat as it is delicious. Well, that's if you've been trying to eat it the wrong way, of course, like the rest of humankind. Apparently, the chocolate bar is designed in such a way that you should push the triangle, or as most of us refer to them, mountains, inwards rather than outwards to break them off. So next time you're struggling to break off a piece, just try to push to the other direction and see how easily you can enjoy your favorite chocolate. Number 10. Burgers. This may come as a surprise, but apparently if you're eating a burger with the top bun upwards, you're wrong. If you want to avoid half of your sauce from falling out and want to have more juicy experience, then eat your burger upside down. The logic behind this is that the top bun is thicker than the bottom one, meaning it'll absorb more burger juice and get a lot less soggy. So how about you give it a try for this one as well the next time you have a burger and let us know the difference. I'm pretty sure you won't regret it. We hope this list will make your next meal a more enjoyable experience. Let us know in the comments section below which one of these foods you were eating wrong and which correct method did you try. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, everyone.